This one is dangerously easy. Creamy, rich, Nutella-infused bliss. No ice cream maker, no fancy tricks, just pure indulgence. Welcome back to the cracked mug. Today we're making Nutella ice cream with just a few simple ingredients. Toss it in the freezer and you will be rewarded handsomely with silky smooth ice cream, scoop after scoop. And yes, it has chocolate chips. So, let's get in that kitchen and make no-churn Nutella ice cream. Come on.
Here I have 480 milliliters of heavy whipping cream, 1 can that is 397 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 80 grams of Nutella, that's about 1/3 of a cup. Here I have 60 grams of chocolate chips. You can use a mix, dark chocolate, milk chocolate. You can also use peanut butter chips. I am using dark chocolate and white chocolate in this one. First, we're just going to soften our Nutella in the microwave for about 10 seconds, just to loosen it up a little bit. This consistency looks perfect. Horrible. Add your condensed milk to a bowl. To that, let's add our softened Nutella. Mix the two together to combine well. Perfect. In a larger bowl, we are going to whip our cream until it's stiff peaks. Don't overwhip it. Perfect. Don't overdo it. We don't want butter. So now we're going to take our Nutella mixture and fold it into our cream very gently. We want to keep as much air and height in that cream as possible. Gentle fold. Scooping from the bottom and bringing it over the top. Turn your bowl as you go. Clean the sides of your bowl. Be patient doing this. The cream will get absorbed. It's a beautiful color. I think it's all in there. That took me about 4 minutes. Now we're just going to add our chips. Chocolate chips, peanut butter chips, whatever chips you'd like. Fold those in gently. All we have to do now is scoop this into a loaf pan. Just smooth out the top of it. I'm now just going to cover the top with some aluminum foil. This goes into the freezer for 3 to 5 hours, but overnight is better, and then we will be back, scoop in hand, to try it. It has been in the freezer overnight. It's time to have some. And my God, look at that. It's gorgeous and so cold. All right, in I go. Oh, wow. One more? Why not? I should have waited 10 minutes and left this sit on the counter, but I was impatient. But it is beautiful and hard. Look at all those chips in there. Yeah. And why not a few more? In for a penny, in for a pound. Look at that. A few simple ingredients, and you get a beautiful, creamy, luscious Nutella ice cream. Okay, isn't it amazing? Look at that. It's incredible. But here I am. Oh my God. Oh my. It is silky, silky smooth, not too sweet. And the crunch of the chocolate chips. Amazing. This is as good and rich and creamy as any ice cream you'll buy in the store. And you can make it yourself. This is so dangerous. Oh my goodness. It is creamy, rich indulgence. It's delicious. If you don't believe me, ask the dishes. Sorry.
Yum! I'll have some, please. Help a guy out. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe for more great recipes. You rock!
Try it. Oh my God, I'm so happy you could be with me today. Thank you for all your support. It really means the world to me. And well, until next time, Mind yourself. I'll be minding myself. What's that?